We are live. Okay. So this is Let's Talk Immigration, the weekly live of Ready Go Law. My name, oops. Okay. Give me just a second. I realized I got to fix something there, right? I got it under control. I just had another window open. Thank you for your patience. My name is Curtis Morrison with Ready Go Law. Okay, so this video, it's our weekly Let's Talk Immigration show, but also I have a special announcement. This video, I'm going to talk about a group lawsuit that Ready Go Law is offering for family preference category visa applicants from 19 countries that are blocked by Trump's latest travel ban. Okay. The lawsuit is an opportunity for families of family preference category visa applicants to challenge the legality of Trump's June 4th, 2025 travel ban, which became effective on June 9th, 2025. We will be filing this group lawsuit, in a U.S. District Court to be determined by me after onboarding for the lawsuit is complete. So, important dates to know. 2 important dates to know. The deadline to participate, Friday, August 15th, 2025 at 11:59 PST. That means you have just a little bit more than 2 weeks to make up your mind whether or not to participate and to onboard. It's been our experience that onboarding usually takes more than a day because there's multiple steps. One day you provide us your information, then you provide the payment, and then we get additional information, right? So there's multiple steps. So get started early. Don't wait until August 15th. That being said, we're not ready to onboard today. I expect by Monday we will have a link on our website where you can do that on our website. Okay. So the next important date to know, Friday, August 29th, 2025. That is our target date for filing this group lawsuit. Okay. To participate in this lawsuit, the family preference category primary visa applicant needs to be either F1 category, the immigrant visa F1, not student, F2A, F2B, F3, or F4. And the applicant and the family must, 1, have a priority date that is current in Chart A of the August 2025 visa bulletin. 2, they must have completed and submitted their DS-260. Okay, so if you have an approved petition or if you have a pending petition with USCIS, but you haven't even started a DS-260 with the State Department, this lawsuit's not for you. Hopefully you will benefit indirectly because we will help move the line that's right now that's stopped, that's in front of you, but you cannot participate. Okay. So the third thing is you must be a national of an impacted country that's listed in Trump's travel ban. The impacted countries are Afghanistan, Burma, Burundi, that's not how you say it, Chad, Republic of Congo, Cuba, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Laos, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Sierra Leone, Togo, Turkmenistan, Venezuela, or Yemen. So you have to have a passport or be a national of one of those countries to be impacted by the travel ban to participate in this lawsuit. So we have some important disclosures about this lawsuit. First, we are pursuing this group lawsuit because we believe in your right to a fair outcome of your visa application. Okay. We will fight hard to advocate for you, but we also want to be transparent. While we are hopeful and committed, we cannot promise success. That's not how lawsuits work, okay? Litigation carries uncertainty, and court decisions are ultimately beyond our control. We ask that all participants join with hope, but also with realistic expectations about what legal action can and cannot achieve, okay? Additionally, it is important for participants to understand that litigation takes time. It would not be realistic to expect the lawsuit to have a positive outcome within the first few months. Developments, yes. Positive outcome, no. Very often, lawsuits challenging government policies take a year or even longer to reach the stage where plaintiffs see a final outcome. Next, cost to participate. So the attorney fee to participate as plaintiffs in the group lawsuit will be $1,000 per family preference category primary visa applicant. What that means, this fee includes the cost of participation of all derivative beneficiaries, regardless of family size. The attorney fee is due in advance of the representation. It's a step in the onboarding process. Deferred payments or installment payments or payment plans, that will not be offered with this group lawsuit. Okay, how to participate. Onboarding for this group lawsuit will be automated. So you visit readytogolaw.com to get started, and don't visit until Monday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see here. August 4th. We're going to have that website ready to go by then. Probably before then, but just saying that to be safe. So you're going to have a window of time between August 4th and August 15th to start and finish onboarding if you want to participate as a plaintiff in this lawsuit. So if you have questions about onboarding for this lawsuit, please reach out to me or anyone on our team. Okay? I'm going to put our website here on the bottom of the thing so you can see it. Ready to Go Law, contact us. If you go that page, it's really cool because we have not only a way to drop us an email, but we have a way you could schedule a Zoom. Here's our website, and contact us is the magic button. Look at this. You could schedule a Zoom not only with me in English, or you could schedule with me and a paralegal that speaks hopefully your language. We've got one for Spanish, Farsi, Arabic, Macedonian, Serbian, Russian, Somali. Okay, here's where you could drop us an email, and it's where you could drop us mail. Don't do that. Okay, this is how to reach me on Telegram. The blue is Telegram. The green is WhatsApp. The blue is Twitter. Chuck Go, that's his WhatsApp. Banan, Arabic speaking, Telegram WhatsApp. Farshad, Farsi, Telegram WhatsApp. Abdullahi, Telegram WhatsApp. Elsie, WhatsApp. Gomez, Telegram. Okay? So we are accessible to answer your questions. So reach out to us when you have those questions. Don't wait till the last minute because we will have limited capacity at that time to respond to your questions. Okay. Actually, that's all I had for today. So I will see you next Wednesday on Let's Talk Immigration. And by that time, we would already be starting to onboard our next group lawsuit. I will say this. Okay. We do have 3 lawsuits pending right now where we're trying to challenge the travel ban. One is for diversity visa selectees, one is for students, and one is for employment-based. And we hope to learn from each of those how they go and how we work in the future ones. Okay. But we will share information about developments in those 3 lawsuits, since so many people are watching them, not only with the news media, but also on our social media channels. So follow our social media channels like Telegram, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, and you'll see updates about how those are going. Because I know a lot of people have an interest in seeing this travel ban disappear, right? And that is an objective of this law firm right now, and a personal objective of mine. So I'm going to cut this short. Everybody have a good week, and I will see you next Wednesday.